Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nan
and Odin. We are here at Asok and Sukhumvit Road intersection and right at the entrance to Soi Cowboy, one of Bangkok's hottest nightlife streets. The first bar opened in Soi Cowboy in the early 1970s, but it was not until 1977 that a second bar opened on the street by T.J. Cowboy Edwards, a retired American airman. Edwards got his nickname because he often wore a cowboy hat, and the Soi was given its name in reference to him by a long-time nightlife columnist, Bernard Trink. I did some videos about the first three bars, namely Country Road, Corner Bar and 5 Star, because those three bars feature live bands every night. I will link a playlist to those videos in the end screen as well as in the description below. Most of the following bars are Agogo bars. The girls wear little to nothing and do pole dancing and try to sit with customers. But even those bars have different business concepts. Some bars want to sell as many girls as possible. Others want you just to look and drink with the girls. But if you are aware of this, you can decide quite fast if you want to sit down or walk out again. When you decide to come to this Soi, you should know where you are, and you should be able to say no. Trust me, I have seen many guys making complete fools out of themselves. Surely you experienced this yourself already, that you meet a person and even without having spoken a word to each other, you dislike this person. Some years ago, I sat down in a bar and a lady placed herself next to me and demanded a drink. I really disliked her and felt uncomfortable next to her. For a while, I ignored her, but she would not give up asking for a drink. Finally, she understood this and said, "If you buy me a drink, I will go away." To which I answered, "And if I don't buy you a drink, you will not come back." Nowadays, I just not go to bars where they let staff hustle for drinks. And here we are already at the other end of Soi Cowboy. We continue to walk around the block and walk out to Sukhumvit. I did a poll not long ago in which I asked you if you like short videos, less than a minute, medium videos around 5 minutes, or long videos 10 minutes and more. By far, most of you voted for 10 minutes and more. On my daily walks, I did short videos about little things I saw. But today I took you along to show you the block of Soi Cowboy. As an exception, Nan joined me today on this walk, because on our way back, we bought our lunch at a shop called Stupid Fries, and we test 4 different styles of gyoza. I published this video already, but if you have not seen it, I will link it to the end screen and you can continue from there. We walked in the morning around 11 a.m. because these days we always have sunshine in the morning. In the afternoon it gets more and more cloudy, and in the evening the clouds become bigger and darker and there can be heavy showers. As most Thai women, Nan does not like to walk in the sunshine. Therefore, she is wearing this hood. Across the street there is some kind of vaccination. These are most likely company vaccinations, where companies get their staff vaccinated. Thank you for watching our video. Please click like, comment, and to stay in touch, subscribe. Click the bell to get notified of our next upload. Just click a thumbnail to stay with Thailand lifestyle.